There is other options for smaller people usually, okay? Cloud the barrier for a second. When he's striking, no, I'm gonna attack it here, yeah? And from there, continue with attacks. So slowly, boom, I'm going under. So the elbow goes up, the thumb is down. Like when I'm connecting this, the thumb is down. Go this direction. So from here, okay, so slowly, I'm going here. And then punch, 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 kick, I'm gonna move, okay? So this is the movement. I'm protecting myself with the shoulder up. Yeah, it's suitable if somebody's, if I'm much bigger, I'm not gonna do it to Prat. Yeah? So he sends the right punch to me, so I need to go like a really deep squat. Yeah? So it doesn't matter. For me, it's much easier. If he sends a strike, I'll go over, because I'm taller. Yeah? Same size, you can choose. But if there's a difference in size, you just have one option really. Yeah? But we teach both. Okay?